In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an IP address range in Salesforce. This is an important task for Salesforce administrators who want to control access to the platform based on the user's IP address. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the necessary credentials ready and have admin access, as this task requires admin privileges. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of the screen for the gear icon, which is your gateway to the setup options. Click on this icon and then select Advanced Setup. This will open up a new world of options related to the configuration of your Salesforce environment. Now that we're in setup, we'll use a handy tool called Quick Find, which helps us locate specific settings without the hassle of navigating through tabs. In the Quick Find box, type Profiles, and from the list that appears, select the profile you want to modify. Profiles in Salesforce determine the level of access users have, so be sure you select the correct profile for the IP restriction you'd like to enforce. Once you're viewing the selected profile settings, scroll down until you reach the Login IP Ranges section. This is where you have the opportunity to specify which IP addresses can access this profile. Click on the New button to start configuring a new IP range. This is where the rubber meets the road. Enter the start and end IP address. Essentially, you're defining the range of IP addresses allowed to access Salesforce using this profile. This range might be from a corporate network or any other IP range you want to securely allow access to. Although adding a description is optional, I highly recommend it. A brief description helps other admins or your future self understand why a particular range was specified. Whether it's for a specific department, a temporary setup, or any special reason, a description makes this setting more informative and manageable. After you've reviewed your entries, click Save to preserve your changes. And that's it, you've successfully set an IP address range in Salesforce. Take a moment to double check everything is correct. It's vital for maintaining the security and efficiency of your Salesforce environment. Remember, managing IP ranges effectively can prevent unauthorized access, potentially safeguarding sensitive information stored within Salesforce. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope this guide empowers you to fine-tune access controls within your Salesforce environment efficiently. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share with other Salesforce users in your network. Until next time, happy administrating.